It is officially winter here. You can see we're in a very wintry landscape. It is cold, it is snowing, there's snow on the ground, and we got the Willys Jeep out here. But if you're still running no top, no doors, windshield down, it's gonna be slightly brisk. So enter the hardtop and door mod on a CJ5. So this is, from what I can figure, a factory Jeep product, probably from the mid 60s. You have a steel side top with fiberglass on the top there. This model has hinging doors. You could get them with doors on a track that would slide back, be more suitable for like a postal service or something. But I'm gonna kind of show you guys, if you have one of these tops, I want to see how it goes on, or you want to find one on Marketplace or something, kind of show you what it looks like, installation, how everything goes. So this will be, the top and doors will work the same for your early CJ5 platform from 55 to 72, and also the 73 to 75. So the early short fender and the intermediate. So before the 1976. And also your M38A1s work too. One thing to note, I have the newer intermediate style, which was also on the late early fender, the 68 or 69 and newer windshield frame. So the main frame profile is the same, so it'll work with your top, but they made the glass slightly taller and moved the wipers to the bottom. So since that you don't get all the mounting, there should be this front metal piece here should bolt all across into the windshield frame. It is lined up right with the rubber seal. These cutouts would have been for the wipers, but there's really no problem with this. It's pretty tight against that seal. If not, you can shove some foam or rubber down in there, and it is still held on very well. It's not going anywhere. So it's not perfect. I don't know what they would have done with these from the factory with the later windshield frame. I don't know about that. Here is, my driver's door is incomplete. Here's a complete door. Get a nice panel, inner thing with a very simple locking tab. Doors just bolt on with a simple piano hinge bolted right into the side of the tub. Then you get this green piece that screws onto the side of the windshield to help block some wind on that front edge. Doors open and close very nicely. The windows are awkward because you gotta do one of those numbers to get it down, and then one of those numbers to get it up. That's slightly awkward. Top. Alright, so this is what I did. I held a hole in the windshield frame that lined up. I put a chunk of PVC pipe there to keep it from crushing. To hold the top on. I later figured out that I have these brackets that would go right there on the windshield frame, and then those two holes would line up with that. But either way works. I figured that out after the fact. So either way works. It fits, will clear with your roll bar. The main top just attaches right onto the upper lip of your tub. I just ran some self-tapping screws in there. It holds it on just fine. It's actually very comfy, spacious, plenty of headroom inside. Note to anyone with whip antennas, that's annoying. The back lift gate, I need to work on that seal. It's just a simple flat piece of rubber. It's a nifty little latch there. You have to open this before opening your tailgate. There would have been this track right up here. There would have been an arm on this windshield frame, on this window frame, that would have made this whole thing slide inward. I'm missing those pieces, so it just kind of is there for moral support. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like a Toyota. Yeah, it is kind of nice in there. That fiberglass dome up top is a little bit loud when you're driving around. Get a lot of engine drone. But it's nice to enter. It's not really... There's supposed to be aluminum straps on this. There's footman bracket there. I haven't made that yet. It is quite comfy in here, really. Plenty of headroom, plenty of arm room. It's actually pretty nice. So, anyone out there with an earlier intermediate CJ5, you want to put a hardtop doors on, it's very simple to install, and yeah, it does help winter driving a lot. These brackets, I have not figured out where those go yet, so if anyone knows, comment below. I'd like to know where those go. I haven't quite figured out. I have some ideas. I don't really know for sure where they go. I haven't needed them. So then here, just for your own enjoyment, original advertisement for the hardtop doors, offering safety, convenience, protection, and comfort. You can kind of see in that picture how the back would slide in. But yeah, very cool. Available with hinged or sliding doors. A little tour, looking around in here with hardtop on.